It has been a while since I've been on here for my channel, Willina Crochets. I just had a lot going on. The last time I was here, I was preparing to do my workshop, so that was a success. And then a friend got sick, one of my best friends, and she passed away, so I had to take time to deal with that. The computers were still messing up, and I had a fashion show to do. I had the Barbie convention, and I had some stepping events that I needed to create fashion for. So I will show you all that here today, and I will pay tribute to my friend Rosina Dillard. I taught her how to crochet, and she made some beautiful things, and she started to enjoy crochet. And so that took a while for me to deal with. And now I'm back. I wanted to come back in my anniversary month and share with you my love of crochet. So let's begin. I'm wearing my pink shrug sweater, and this is in honor of Breast Awareness Month, to make sure that everyone who hasn't or needs to go get their mammogram and to be proactive with that. As you know, I've been recovering from breast cancer. When I was diagnosed in 2022, I've been a year cancer free, and I just want to bring awareness to that and make sure everyone gets checked. So this is my pink shrug that I created, and what I did is I used acrylic yarn, and then I had some furry yarn that I added just to give it a little bit more glamour to it. And what I did is I used a variety of stitches. I used post stitches, cables, and then I have like the treble and then single, and then treble and single crochet here. And I did the same on this sleeve, just to mix and match and have fun creating the sweater with the variety of stitches. As you can see, I did the cable stitch here, and then on the back, which is a little bit longer and it goes all the way around, the stitches continue. So I just love throwing this on when it's like a little cool outside. I can just put this on over my clothes and just go on, and it keeps me warm. You know, I did a workshop for my New York City Crochet Guild, and we had some students in there, some beginners and some advanced students. And one of the advanced students, Sophia, had created some wearables. She created this crochet top, and then she created this granny square crochet dress that you have been seeing, but she made it fit to her size. And what she did is she didn't use heavy yarn, she used thread. She used three threads together, so the 100% cotton thread. She put 3 of them together to crochet the granny squares, and I will show you the dress here. It came out really beautiful. I'm so proud of her. So one of the yarns I used was the Baby Cash Soft Merino yarn, and I had it in a variety of colors, and I had it in blue, rust, tan color, and a beige, and also I had it in an orange. And then here's the orange one, and this was Rowan's yarn. So I ended up using 8 balls of yarn, and what happened is I had run out of the balls of yarn to complete the dress, so I had to add something else. And what I did is I had this orange gold metallic yarn from Ice Yarn, and I added it to the dress. So this is the tapestry crochet dress that I created. As you can see, I mixed and matched the colors. I used tapestry crochet in the front, and this is the back. And I'll post a picture of me wearing the dress. And what I did is I added, if you can see, I added the orange metallic yarn here, and then down the sides and on the bottom. Just to give it a little bit more glitter for an evening event. So another dress that I created for a stepping event in July that was held here in New York, the other one was in Pennsylvania, is this dress in pink. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to honor my friend who had passed away from breast cancer, and I thought I would wear pink in her honor because we did stepping together and that's how I met her. And so what I did is I had a variety of pink yarns, cotton yarn. So the whole dress is out of cotton yarn except for this part. This is a metallic part here. And I just mix and match Lion Brand's yarns to create the front. And I did tapestry crochet with some lace stitches. And then this is the back. I love the pineapple stitch. So created the pineapple stitch in the back. And what happened is this pattern's online on Pinterest. If you look for the pineapple bathing suit, what I did is I used that part of it to create the back. And then I just striped with different yarns in the bottom. I will post a picture of me wearing it. I love the way the dress came out. It came out nice. And I love that it was cotton yarn, so it wasn't heavy or very warm when I wore it. What I did is I created these earrings for the fashion show that I wore with my pink outfit. And I used the cowrie shells to complete it. The other pair that also used the cowrie shells are right here. Are these that I crocheted over a bone ring. And this is a wire ring, and this one's the bone. And the other pair that I put in the fashion show are these. And again, I crocheted around a wooden piece, a jewelry finding, and created the earrings. And this is with Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton denim yarn and maroon. Here are some of the items that I'm working on. This is the one I'm trying to finish up. I had started this. This is the orange metallic yarn that I showed you in the other dress, but I wanted to create a top just only in this yarn. So I have one side done. I have to complete the other side. And this is how I look. I use a variety of stitches, shell stitches, single crochet, and double crochet, and a granny square on top. The other item that I'm working on is this vest that I created using Nip Hicks paint box yarns, and then a heavier yarn on the bottom, cotton yarn. I'm not sure of the name, and I combined all of them together. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna make it, but I also added tapestry crochet, and I wanted to wear this for Halloween, so I might put some leaves on, crochet leaves on here to make it a fairy costume, because I'm going to Halloween parties, and I thought that would be cute to be the fairy princess. And one other item I'm working on is this one here. I combined the browns that I had. So this is Cascades brown yarn, and then I found another yarn that I had in the house that had similar colors, and I added it to this top here. I haven't worked on the back, but I think I'm gonna do it all in one color. So these are a few of the items that I've been working on, and hopefully to have them finished for next month. That concludes this episode. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being loyal supporters. Thank you to my new and current viewers and subscribers. Have a great day.